there! Yes, welcome to our fun and exciting learning channel! Today, we're going to learn about something super cool and important. Class, the basic naming of all the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! The alphabet is made up of 26 letters. Each letter has a special name, and we use these letters to make words. Today, we're going to learn the names of these letters, with sample words and how to spell them. Let's start with the first letter of the alphabet. This is the letter A. Can you say A? Great! A is for apple. Let's spell apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple! Next is the letter B. Say B. Awesome! B is for ball. Let's spell ball. B, L, L, ball. Now, let's look at the letter C. Say C. C is for cat. Let's spell cat. C-A-T, cat. Here's the letter D. Say D. D is for dog. Let's spell dog. D-O-G. Dog. You all are doing fantastic. Let's try a few more letters together. How about the letter E? Say E. E is for elephant. Let's spell elephant. E-L-E. Boo. H-A-N-T. Elephant. Next is the letter F. Say F. F is for fish. Let's spell fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Wow, you all are alphabet experts now. Let's quickly go through the whole alphabet. One more time with our sample words. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. You did it! Great job! Everyone, keep practicing your alphabet and soon you'll be spelling like a pro. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and learning. Bye for now. Remember to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.